Hey everyone, Sepy here, head of marketing at Glide. I have been building in GlideOS almost every day for the last couple of months, and I keep learning about new features and tricks and tips. And so I wanted to share one of those with you today. As a head of marketing, I love to screenshot the apps that we're building and use them in designs and share them on social and whatnot. However, sometimes apps contain sensitive business information. For example, the sales CRM that I built. If I wanted to share a screenshot of my sales CRM, I don't want the world to see that my pipeline has 159,000 in it and that our closed one is 32,000. I want to be able to anonymize some of this data. So one cool feature you can add to any of your apps is like a demo mode toggle. So I've written up a short prompt here. I'm going to paste it into the agent and send it in, and then we're going to see what it builds. So all right, so we fast forwarded through that build process. It took about 4 minutes to build this feature. And as you can see in the top right corner, we've now got a toggle switch. So let's see what happens when I click it. Boom, our pipeline value, closed one, all of our metrics on this page get updated. So take a look at the numbers when we're in demo mode versus regular mode. Everything, including the names of these recent deals and their reps and all the sensitive data gets updated. So 4 minutes, added a really cool feature. Now I can go ahead and screenshot this and share it online and not worry about sharing my sensitive business data. One of the really cool patterns with GlideOS is not just the ability to build apps really, really quickly, but it's these little features that get unlocked inside your software that just make your software so much more powerful and robust. Try it out for yourself and see what kind of cool little features you can build into your product. The sky's the limit. Anything is possible with GlideOS, so can't wait to see what you build. Thanks for watching.